Hey there! Struggling with a router that shows it's connected but has no internet available? This week, I've got step-by-step solutions for you on how to fix a router when there is no internet available. Whether you're working from home or trying to binge watch your favorite shows, these methods will help you get back online in no time. Step 1. Check all connections. First and foremost, ensure that all cables are securely connected to the router and modem. A loose or damaged cable might be the culprit. Unplug and replug the power cables of both your modem and router. This simple act often resolves the connectivity issue by re-establishing the connection. Once you've checked and adjusted the cables, wait a minute or two, and then check if your internet connection is restored. Step 2. Restart your devices. Sometimes simply restarting your devices can fix connectivity issues. Begin by restarting your router. Turn it off for about 10 seconds and then switch it back on. Next, restart your computer or any device connected to the network. This process can clear temporary glitches and re-establish a fresh connection to the router. Step 3. Verify your internet settings. Check if your device's internet settings are configured correctly. On your computer, go to the network settings and ensure that it's set to obtain the IP address and DNS server address automatically. Incorrect settings can prevent your device from connecting to the internet, so correcting this can instantly solve your problem. Step 4. Update your router firmware. Outdated firmware might lead to connectivity problems. Access your router's settings page using a web browser. Typically, you can enter the router's IP address in the address bar to reach this page. Look for the firmware update section. If a new firmware version is available, follow the instructions to update it. Updates often include improvements and bug fixes that could resolve your issue. Step 5. Check for ISP outage. If none of the above steps work, there might be an internet service provider outage. Visit your ISP's website or call their support line to see if there are any reported outages in your area. You can also check for updates on social media platforms where ISPs often notify customers about outages and estimated resolution times. Step 6. Reset your router to factory settings. As a last resort, consider resetting your router to factory settings. Keep in mind that this will erase all custom settings, including your Wi-Fi name and password. To reset, find the small reset button on your router, press it with a pin, and hold it in for about 10 seconds. Once reset, you'll need to set up your router again from scratch using the default settings typically provided on the router's label. Following these steps should help resolve the issue of having a router with no internet connection available. Whether it's a simple restart, an update, or a more technical configuration, trying these solutions can often bring back your connectivity. Remember to regularly check and maintain your network equipment to avoid future issues. If you're still experiencing problems, consider consulting a professional technician to diagnose and fix more complex network issues. With these techniques in hand, having a router with no internet connection available will hopefully become a thing of the past. Stay connected and enjoy all that the internet has to offer with these proactive troubleshooting steps.